How to hide mutual friends on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app. Sign in to your account. Navigate to three-line icon at top right. Now scroll down. Choose Settings and Privacy and select Settings. After that, from the Setting and Privacy section, you need to scroll down. And under Audience and Visibility section, choose How People Find and Contact You option. Locate the option of Who Can See Your Friends list and tap on it. By default, it has been set to Public so that anyone on or off Facebook will see your friends list. But in order to hide your mutual friends on Facebook, tap on Only Me and tap on Save button. Now, only you'll will be able to see your mutual friends on Facebook but not anyone. So in this way you can easily hide mutual friends on Facebook. I hope this guide was quite easy and simple. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.